Hi, it's Todd from Todd's Workshop and Todd Cutler here, and today I am with a migration era sword and a couple of my favourite tools for Todd's Tools Talks. These are films that don't fit on the main channel. So we have got a couple of pieces by Knipex or Knipex here, and I'm just going to put this down. I am holding it for a reason. But first of all, I am going to show you these magnificent pieces. So we have got some compound cutters here. So that makes them very powerful, and they've got an angled head. You can buy these actually in both the straight and the angled. I tend to prefer the angle because you manage to get into more places. So these are like high precision bolt cutters really, and just like bolt cutters they are powerful. And then the other set that I'm talking about is a pair of Knipex parallel action pliers, and these, importantly for this, have smooth jaws. So there's no bite on there, there's no teeth. They're adjustable so you can get wherever you want, and they have a fantastically strong clamping force. These are actually powerful enough to use for riveting. So if you rivet chainmail and things like that, I've got one actually, where I've put a tiny little indent in there, and you can use them for actual hardcore riveting as well. They are that powerful. Brilliant. But this is why we had the migration sword. On this sword here, we've got these pins coming through, and they have little decorative washers on them. They're not here at the moment, there's no need for them to be there, just dry assembling, but they have little decorative washers, and when I say little, I mean little. These are about 6mm or a bit under across, and here's a little casting tree that they were made on. So the bronze sprue now needs to be cut, and a set of regular kind of wire cutters just isn't really powerful enough. So these compound ones are fantastic. So I've just cut the piece off. And now, as you can see, there's a little flashing from the sprue cut. And of course, because this is going to be gilded or gold and silver plated, it needs to be polished up. And that is where these come in. Because to hold this thing tightly and carefully, I need something powerful and something that I can use gently as well. So I need to be able to control my force. I don't want any teeth on the jaws because otherwise I'm going to mark this piece up. So follow me to the grind room and you'll see why these are just fantastic. This component here is going to be incredibly fiddly for me to work if I don't have the right tools. So I can clamp it here, get a nice positive force on it, but not too much, so I don't want to mark it. So nice and securely held during the grinding process, and now we're going to polish up. And any of you who've done polishing will know how difficult it is to hold something this size and polish it. But because it holds it so positively, it's just not a problem. So I'm just clamping like that. Fantastic. So that's it. Knipex side cutters, compound ones with an angle. They're fantastic. And then I showed you the Knipex parallel action pliers here, or water pump pliers, but they come in big and really powerful, and small and totally cute, and they're all really useful. Anyway, that's it for Todd's Tools, and don't forget there'll be more to follow. There'll be book reviews, there'll be all sorts of bits and pieces on this channel, but the big high energy films, the ones that aren't quite so niche, back on the main channel. See you again.